Hi everybody, this is Nancy Miller. I am a children's book author and illustrator, and I wanted to show you how to make this little tiger into a little standing 3D cut paper piece. So what you're going to need is I'm providing you either at the event, you have gotten a actual printout of the tiger, or there is going to be a link in the description box so that you can download this PDF version and print it out at home yourself with the help of a grown-up. Okay, so besides the printout, you can use markers, you can use crayons, you can use colored pencils, whatever you have hand. You're also going to need some scissors, and these are some of my numerous scissors in my scissors collection. I have a lot more, but you pick out the scissors that are best for you. So if you're more comfortable using more of a safety style cutting scissors, use that. But I'll be using these bigger handled scissors for this project. Okay, so you're going to notice that there is a dashed line right down, and you're gonna see like, wow, there's two tigers here and they're like a mirror image of each other. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you're going to color in, and I'm gonna actually use crayon. I really do like the Crayola crayons here, and I'm gonna look for an orange. Don't have to use orange, you can use whatever color you like. And then I want to color this in. Now, one of the reasons why I love being a cut paper artist is, look at this. I can color outside of the lines. Yes, I truly love that about being a cut paper artist. Like, there's something freeing about knowing that I can just cut that away. It's not a big deal. It is not a mistake. I tell students it's not something you have to be worried about. All right, my friends, so this has been colored in, and let's talk about doing some cutting. Okay, so, by the way, did you know the Korean word for tiger is horangi? So this down here, and I like to explain to young readers that this is what they call romanization. So a lot of times in languages that are not Latin-based, like Korean, Chinese, Japanese, they will actually write it out if you want to, if you don't know how to read. This is Korean or Hangul. It's written here for tiger, so here's the English, here's the Korean, and this is the romanization. So this actually kind of helps you pronounce the actual Korean letters that you see up here. So it's horangi. So anyway, so that's a little Korean for you. Okay, so now let's talk about this little dashed line. And like I said, this is what we call a mirror image. This is called like a line of symmetry in art. And a mirror image is like if I fold it, it like would line up perfectly. But we're going to actually fold it along this dashed line. And you're going to do the best you can. Sometimes it's a little harder. This is cardstock paper. So yeah, printing it out in the cardstock, it is a little bit thicker. So this is what I recommend. If you need to, I will use the handle of my scissors and I will just rub, like you're rubbing that little tiger to sleep. Okay, and now we have two sides of the tiger, but now we got to get it to stand up. And so this is where I'm going to use my scissors, and I want to hold it. So this is the fold side, right? Hold it together in both your hands. Make sure you're cutting through both sides. And so this is the part what I love about cut paper art. You know, the parts that I accidentally colored outside of the lines. That's why I love this technique, because look, it's so much neater right there. Actually, let me use my smaller scissors. The smaller scissors would work better for this small little spot right here. So let me use my tiny scissors. Hold it together again. But yeah, the cardstock is a little bit more challenging to cut, but it's stronger. It's what we call a heavier weight. Thicker paper. And so now I want to go around here, and a lot of times the students would cut off the tail. Make sure don't cut off the tail. Hold it together and go all the way to the end, and boom. Now in between the legs, we're going to cut around, and see, I accidentally colored outside of the lines, but that's okay. Don't care about that. I'm gonna cut around, my friends, and then I'm gonna go boom. Now, this is what I tell my little friends when I do a presentation. These extra little pieces of paper, you don't have to waste them. If you want to be creative and you want to give your tiger a ball to play with, or come up with something else that you want to draw and cut out. I had some students did like little dishes to, you know, feed their tiger, give their tiger a bone, whatever. You can do that. Oh, and by the way, I forgot that's one little piece right here in between the ears and the head. So you want to cut that out. It's like you cut out a little mountain. There we go. And so the nice thing is now I have a tiger with two sides. And then when we actually pull the two parts apart, your tiger will stand up like so. And so then you have a standing two-sided tiger, and you can be creative and use those extra pieces, make something else out of it for your tiger. But yeah, so now I have my horangi and he's standing. So yes, you will have a little cut tiger. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and thank you, and talk to you later. Bye.